Hey, in this tutorial we're going to take a look at how we can edit commits and rewrite the Git history. There's quite a common situation where perhaps you've been working on a branch locally and you've got your code ready and working and you're ready to kind of push it to the remote and open a pull request. But perhaps you want to edit those commits and tidy them up, like maybe you want to squash them together, or you want to edit the message, maybe with a typo in the message or something like that. So Glint provides like an interface that lets you do this kind of work. And we can access it either by right-clicking and choosing this Edit Commits from Here option, or you can select the commit and click the pencil at the top. And this is going to take the commit you've selected and all the ones going into the future and open the interface to let you edit them. So if we go ahead and do that here, you can see we have this graph view and we can see the changes just as in the normal view. But from here we have different options in the top and in the right-click menu that let us edit them. So I'll just go through like what these do. The first one is edit the message. So you can just go in, you can type what you like here and it will just change the message. The next two are about squashing commits, so combining them together. So I have these two commits here and perhaps I decide actually there should just be one commit. I can just click the squash button and now you can see all those changes are just in the one commit and the message has been changed to kind of have both messages in. But of course we can edit that, perhaps we say we're going to add the tensor contraction and the tests together. The next two are about inserting commits. If we want to split a commit up into two, we can say, okay, let's insert a new commit here, and that's going to put in an empty commit with no changes in. And then I could go here and say, okay, let me move these changes up into that commit. And you can see those have now moved up here. And then I guess I should edit the message to be something that makes sense with that. Like this. And that's how you can edit commits. There's then a save button to save your changes and a discard button to discard them. So I can click save. We're going to get a confirmation saying the original commits will be deleted and replaced. And we can click confirm to do that. And now these commits have been edited. The only thing to note is it's important here that you're not editing commits when they've already been pushed to a remote, because this is going to edit them locally, but then the original commits, they'll still be on the remote, and that can cause problems. I'll just show an example of doing that. So if we look at this branch, this feat matrix branch, this is on the remote, we can see by the cloud icon there. And if I edit these commits, I could perhaps change the commit message maybe and just save it. And so you'll see here we have this local branch feat matrix with the new commit message in, but the branch on the remote, it still has the original commit there. And there are situations where maybe you do want to do this. Maybe you want to force push to the remote, but these are more advanced scenarios. So as a general rule of thumb, you probably don't want to be doing this. And if you've done it by mistake, it is quite simple to go back. You just reset your branch back to the remote by right-clicking on that commit, saying move branch to this commit, and then choose the branch that you'd edited on. That will then say we're going to lose this commit. You can confirm that this is the edited one, right? I've made that change to the message. And if I click confirm, it's just going to get rid of that commit and we're kind of back where we want it to be.